Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Mongoose and Atlas Data API keys, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a MongoDB Atlas account if you don't have one. Log into your MongoDB Atlas dashboard. Create a new project or select an existing project. In the left sidebar, click on the Database Access option. Click on the Add New Database User button. Choose the authentication method you prefer. For API key authentication, select API key to generate keys. Note down the generated public and private keys for later use. Next, navigate to the Network Access section. Click on the Add IP Address button to allow connections. You can add your current IP address or allow access from anywhere. Now go to the Data API section in the left sidebar. Enable the Data API if it is not already enabled. In the Data API settings, note the base URL for API requests. Open your code editor to write a sample project. Create a new file and set up your project with Node.js. Install the necessary packages including Axios or Fetch. In your code, import the required libraries. Set up constants for your API key and base URL. Use the Fetch or Axios library for making API calls. Begin with a GET request to test your connection. Include your API key in the headers of the request. Run your code to check if the authentication is successful. If you receive a response, you are successfully authenticated. You can now start making various API calls with Mongoose and Atlas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.